Your manufacturing enterprise, powered by intelligence. Manufacturers generate massive volumes of data. The challenge is converting it into timely, accountable decisions. Every insight begins with connection. Ruby Connect unifies data, Ruby Flow prepares it, and Ruby Studio turns it into intelligence. And with Ruby Sight, those insights come to life, powering smarter decisions across every sector. Now, from strategy to insights. Let's step into the CXO cockpit for manufacturing sales and service. Here, the executive summary presents key sales and service metrics, giving manufacturing decision makers a quick snapshot of overall performance. Sales by channel then highlights how volume is distributed across online bookings, dealer sales, and corporate sales. Next, the vehicle fuel type split shows the contribution of petrol, diesel, hybrid, and electric vehicles, helping track product mix and customer preference. As the view shifts to exception and anomaly analysis, zone-wise exceptions help operations and quality teams quickly identify where irregularities are concentrated across regions. With dealer performance filters applied, operations and commercial executives can isolate specific dealers and performance levels to investigate anomalies in greater detail. From insights to action. We now move to Gen AI, helping plant heads and operations leaders to sales and strategy teams see what matters, when it matters. Decisions across production performance, sales effectiveness, customer segments, and operational efficiency become clearer, faster, and more consistent. With guided commentary, these operational and commercial decision makers don't just see trends, they understand impact. Publish dashboards to mobile with a single click. Track sales by customer segment, operational performance, and key production insights, anytime, anywhere. Ruby Connect brings every dataset together: sales, customer segments, production metrics, and operational data, unified in clicks. Ruby Flow automates data pipelines, giving data analysts analysis-ready datasets and data engineers consistent, model-ready inputs. It cleans, combines, and prepares manufacturing data, maintains version snapshots, and schedules flows for timely operational, production, and sales decisions. Ruby Studio builds predictive models, delivering operational and commercial foresight. It offers an analyst's view for rapid exploration, pre-configured AutoML for data scientists, full pro code flexibility for advanced modeling, and end-to-end workflows from training to evaluation and deployment, accelerating intelligent decision-making across manufacturing. And with Ruby AI Studio, manufacturing operations managers and data teams use simple prompts to generate charts from dashboard-ready data, delivering instant operational and sales intelligence. Better outcomes across operations and customers, that's where the journey of manufacturing intelligence begins. Powering smarter manufacturing with intelligence from Rubiscape.